Hi. I always feel mornings are the best time to start.
Oh yes, mornings feel really fresh and peaceful for me too.
I wonder how others plan their day, you know?
I wonder how to make my day more productive.
Well, learning English daily is easier. Subscribe to Info Urdu.
I check lessons there to learn how to talk about my routine.
And liking this video will help you practice consistently too.
Yes, liking the video helps me remember daily English phrases.
I usually wake up early and prepare for the day slowly.
I wake up slowly, drink water, and start my day gently.
I think making a list of tasks helps me stay organized.
Making a list of tasks helps me stay organized.
Sometimes I review yesterday's activities to improve my routine.
I review what I did yesterday to plan better today.
I also try to speak to myself in English while planning.
I also speak to myself in English, practicing slowly.
Drinking water and having breakfast keeps me active.
Having breakfast gives me energy to focus throughout the morning.
I write important tasks in my notebook to remember better.
I write important tasks in my notebook carefully.
Well, checking the schedule gently keeps me focused all day.
Checking my schedule gently keeps me on track all day.
At the end, I reflect on my day and plan tomorrow.
Finally, I reflect on my day and prepare for tomorrow.
If this helped you, like and subscribe to Info Urdu.
I will like and share this video to help friends learn English.